Today I'm going to start out with the BB Flawless with the Make the Stars Jealous Collection. I'm going to start out by using just a little bit of our Touch Glorious primer before adding the BB cream. To get that flawless finish, that's where the primer comes in and helps, with the if you have any wrinkles, fine lines, and enlarged pores. You just need about that much primer. I'm also going to be adding our Luminizer into the BB cream on my face, and I'm using the color Lustrous. It's going to give you that all over glow, and the BB Flawless gives you that dewy finish, and you will look amazing. Now the BB cream is going to give you a light finish to your skin. If you want a more medium build or heavier coverage, you need to use a concealer with it. As you can see, I used some of the Luminizer with the BB cream, and I'm going to use this beauty sponge to get it all in there. I'm just going to tap like this to get it all into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'm going to do the under my eyes and up here, right here, and right here. With concealer, you want to go 1 to 2 shades lighter if you're using it to highlight, but if you're using it in your foundation, you want to get one the same color. To use a brush like this one, and I just kind of do this with it. After I smoothed it out with a brush, I like to go in with my beauty sponge and push it in. After I do that, I like to go in with our translucent powder and just set all that concealer. Next, you get your choice in the collection of your brow color pencil, light, medium, or dark. So what I do is outline it first and then fill it in. I don't know if you can see, but I outline the bottom and the top part, and then I'm just going to fill it in. And then on this side, you also get a spoolie. You can kind of see the difference between my brows. But this is all just using a brow pencil. They're easy to use, and it just takes practice. Don't worry if your brows aren't exactly the same. They're not meant to be identical. They are like fraternal twins. And you can always go in and fix them with a little bit of concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with our Beachfront bronzer. I wanted to show you this one because my other one doesn't really show it that well, but there's 2 colors, a darker side and a lighter side. I'm actually going to be using the color Hermosa, and this is like a medium shade. Also have the darker shade called Malibu, and then we have a lighter shade called Sunset. Use it as a contour. So I'm going to put it right here. That's going to give you some warmth to your face and some dimension. I'm also going to go under here. I'm going to go up here too. I'm also going to be going with the Beachfront bronzer on both sides of the nose and under here to contour my nose. If you can see that is how I put it on there, and I like to use a small pencil brush to do that. I like to let it sit there for a moment, and then I use a damp beauty blender and kind of push the product in there. To go in there and use my Behold translucent powder and just kind of put it on there to set it. And I like to use a flat brush to really blend out that contour that I put up on my face. I want to add a little bit of color onto my face, so I'm going to use this blush in the color Supported right up on my cheekbones. I go in with a primer, an eye primer for the lids. That way nothing will crease and it will last all day. Next, I'm going to go in with our Beachfront bronzer right over the lid with the lighter color with our big blending brush. After I've done that, I'm going to go in with our crease brush and go right into the darker color of the Beachfront bronzer and put that right up in the crease. I'm also going to be putting it right here in the outer V. Next, I'm going to go in with our Epic One Step Mascara. It has a curling agent to lift up your lashes, gives you length and volume, and it's my very favorite. Next, I'm going to go in with our Luminizer stick. I'm just going to go on the bridge right here of the nose, right here on the Cupid's bow, and right in here. We also have our Luminizers in a powder form, so I'm just going to go with a fan brush right over here on the top part of the cheek. This is the fan brush I'm going to be using to dust that powder right here on here and right here. Make the Stars Jealous Collection. You get your choice of a luminizer in powder, cream, or a stick. I like using all three of them, but if you want the better deal in this collection, I would choose the cream because you get more product. I'm going to finish this look off today with Red Velvet Cake, which is our bonbon in a tinted moisturizer for your lips. And to keep my makeup in place, I'm going to be using our Behold Setting Spray. Our Behold Setting Spray will keep your look on all day long. I feel with the Make the Stars Jealous collection, it's great if you're wanting to try to achieve the no makeup look. I'm going to go over what you're going to get in this collection. First of all, you're going to get a gorgeous bag. This bag is great for date nights. This bag is good for a great big makeup bag, but it has lots of room and has a really pretty purple interior. Next, you get to choose your foundation. So you can get a mineral liquid foundation, which is a medium build, or you can get our BB Flawless. The BB cream, it's going to give you a lighter finish, but also it's going to moisturize your skin and give you that dewy finish that you will want. You're also going to get your own Beachfront bronzer. That's going to help you contour, give that warmth to your skin, and it comes with two different shades, a darker and a lighter. It has like a matte side and a shimmer side, and I like to mix them together to just give that overall glow. You can get the Beachfront bronzer in the colors Sunset, Hermosa, or Malibu. Sunset's light, Hermosa's medium, and Malibu's dark. Next, you're going to be getting a brow pencil. You can get that in light, medium, and dark. One side is a twist up, the other side is a spoolie to help blend it out. Last but not least, you are going to get your own luminizer. You can get that in a cream, you can get that in a stick form, or you can get that in a powder. What I like about the cream is that you're going to get more product with this, and also you can add it to your foundation or your BB cream to give you that all over glow. To get that all over glow with your foundation or BB cream, you don't even need that much of this. You just need to add just a little tiny bit to your product.